Do you know friendship is the fundamental demand and most valuable part of my life? But relationship is not valuable and believe my life. Friendship means between girls and boy. Now I describe it my biography in this video. I am Arman Hussain Mondol. My home district Gaibandha, and I am come from Govindganj. I live in Boguda, Puron Boguda, Sherbangla, Nagor. I study class honors first year সরকারি আজিজুল হক কলেজ, my college. And I remember that tuition is the valuable and ethical issue of student life. Tuition make your student life basic English and mathematics. So, tuition contribute your career life. So, tuition is the most and favorite theme of my life, and cinema hall is the entertainment place of my life. I favorite cinema hall, and my favorite hero Salman Shah. So Salman Shah is the king of Bangla cinema industry, and my favorite work study English, mathematics, and international affairs, etc. So I think that my life is valuable, and I make my life enjoyable, and I have a friend. So friend word is the most demandable of them. So I have a friend, but no of this video about them, and I like I like tour in the various places of Bangladesh, such as Kuakata, Cox's Bazar, Sea Beach, Rangamati, Bandarban, Khakrasuri, and I interest politics. because politics is the uh, fundamental right of your human. So sound politics is the essential for people. And my fa- my favorite word singing Bangla song, like আহ, একদিকে পৃথিবী একদিকে তুমি যদি থাকো, তোমাকে চাই, শুধু তোমাকে চাই, of them. And my favorite singer Indra Kishore. Indra Kishore song is the most favorite song of my life. So I describe my biography of this video. Thank you and welcome for my audience and viewer. Khuda Hafiz.